Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java backend. First, you need to build a strong foundation in core Java. This means understanding object-oriented programming principles, data structures, and algorithms. Focus on mastering basic syntax, control flow, and how to handle exceptions effectively. Consistent practice is key to internalizing these concepts and preparing for more advanced topics. Aim for at least 1 hour of coding practice daily. Once you have a solid grasp of core Java, it's time to get familiar with essential development tools. An integrated development environment, or IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse, will significantly boost your productivity. Next, dive into version control with Git. It's crucial for tracking changes and collaborating with others. Finally, learn a build automation tool such as Maven or Gradle to manage your project dependencies and build processes efficiently. Now let's move to the heart of backend development, frameworks and databases. Spring Boot is the industry standard for Java backend, so dedicate significant time to learning it. Concurrently, you'll need to understand how to work with databases. Start with a relational database like PostgreSQL or MySQL. Also, learn an object relational mapping tool, or ORM, such as Hibernate, to simplify your database interactions and manage data efficiently. To round out your Java backend journey, delve into advanced topics like designing RESTful APIs and understanding microservices architecture. These are crucial for building scalable and maintainable applications. Next, explore cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for deploying your applications. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, continuously build projects to apply your knowledge and showcase your skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.